Hey everyone, welcome to 2 Minutes Tuesday with Bala. This week we are going to look into Application Gateway and WAF rules. Let's get started. So once you navigate into the Application Gateway, in our case, we did create a standard here last time. You have to choose the standard V2 or the WAF V2 for you to enable this web application firewall. So once this is enabled, you can navigate to the web application firewall. You can see there is two options. You have the standard V2 or the WAF V2. And in this case, it is the WAF status has been disabled. It's turned on. And then as soon as you turn it on, you do get options like detection and prevention. So the difference between detection is more like it's a monitoring mode. You don't want to turn on to prevention and the entire traffic getting blocked. So typically when you set up any WAF, you put it in detection mode and then you look into the logs, what traffics are typically being blocked, and fine tune your rules if in case you need any advanced rules that needs to be opened up, and then eventually you would put it in prevention mode. So here you can see there are certain exclusions where you can say, like, if it is a header or a cookie name starts with or equals or anything, then you can have some exceptions defined here. So moving on to the rules. So once you go into the rules, by default you get these different rules available that you can choose. Basically this is all the OWASP standards, and then they have Microsoft related default rules that you can pick any one of them, but prefer to stick with the standard one. And if you can see this, there is an advanced rule configuration. Once you click on enabled, you can go in detail on each rule. A lot of times if you're dealing with content management system and things like that, then you might have specific rules which might be a false alert and consider as like a SQL injection attack. So you can go to a particular, when you're seeing the logs, then it will clearly tell you which is the issue. And then if you navigate into that, then you can say, like, I just don't want this particular or something like that. You can have some customization, like disabling those particular rules. It's not highly recommended, but you need to pick and choose what rules you want to play with. So once you hit the save, and it's going to apply that, and then immediately your application gateway is firewall protected. This is a quick walkthrough on the WAF v2 firewall on application gateway. We'll see you again next week with another topic. If you like this video, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.